Bar Council of India bans Bollywood, celebrity, and influencer promotions for lawyers. The Bar Council of India, BCI, has taken a firm stand against lawyers using social media for advertising, issuing a stern warning in a press release on 17 March. The BCI explicitly criticized law firms and individual advocates for promoting their services through Bollywood celebrities, influencers, and digital marketing campaigns, calling it a direct violation of Rule 36, Chapter 2, Part 6 of the BCI rules. BCI cracks down on social media advertisements. The BCI reiterated that the legal profession is rooted in public trust and ethical principles, making it fundamentally different from commercial enterprises. It emphasized that any form of direct or indirect solicitation, including advertisements, social media promotions, celebrity endorsements, unwarranted interviews, and personal outreach, tarnishes the dignity of the profession and undermines public confidence in the judiciary. Citing multiple past judgments, the Council highlighted that the Supreme Court of India has consistently upheld law as a noble profession centered on justice, integrity, and fairness. It warned that any attempt to commercialize legal services could lead to disciplinary action, including suspension or disbarment of advocates found guilty of violating the rules. Recent controversy involving Rahul Bose. The announcement comes in the wake of a recent controversy involving DSK Legal, a prominent law firm, which posted an Instagram reel featuring Bollywood actor Rahul Bose. The promotional video attempted to position the firm as an industry leader, sparking outrage within the legal community. The BCI responded swiftly, condemning the use of celebrities in legal promotions and calling for immediate removal of such content. BCI's strict measures to regulate legal advertising. To curb unethical marketing practices, the BCI has laid out the following directives. Immediate removal of any online advertisements violating Rule 36. Strict action against law firms and advocates found soliciting work through social media, influencer marketing, or celebrity endorsements. Monitoring of digital platforms to prevent misleading legal claims and paid promotions. Possible suspension or disbarment for repeat offenders who ignore the BCI's ethical guidelines. The legal fraternity has expressed mixed reactions to the announcement. While senior advocates welcomed the move, arguing that it preserves the profession's integrity, some younger lawyers voiced concerns about the limitations it places on their ability to reach clients in the digital age. With social media playing an increasingly prominent role in professional networking, the BCI's new stance signals a significant shift in regulating legal advertising. Whether this crackdown will deter digital promotions or lead to further debates on modernizing legal practice remains to be seen.
With these stories that are centered on emotion and pull you in.
Everything that we do is about getting into the head of the animals you're filming, anticipating what's going to happen next.
या तो खुद मरने को तैयार रहो या मारने को तैयार हो, दूसरा कोई विकल्प नहीं है।